Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from video using CapCut app. So in here, I've already opened a video with a watermark on it, and here I'm going to show you 3 ways to remove it. First way is that you can just scale up or zoom in the clip to hide the watermark. You can just click on the clip on a timeline in here, and then just use your fingers to pinch out the video just like this until the watermark is no longer seen on the video. And now the watermark gone just like that. So that's the first way. The second way is that you can use the stickers to cover up the watermark. You can go to the stickers on CapCut and use any stickers that you want to cover the watermark. So I'm going to just find sun, for example, and I'm going to put it here on the video. Adjust the size, you can just adjust the position also and put it just like this, so the watermark will be hidden. That's the second way. And the third way and the last way is that you can add a blur effect. So you can copy and paste the clip first, duplicate and click on one of them and make it as overlay just like this. And let's go to the video effects and then find and add the blur effect, this one. Adjust the blur to how you like it, click on a check icon, adjust the duration, and now tap on object and tap on overlay. So now the blur is applied to the overlay. Now click on the overlay video here and go to mask. Choose the rectangle option and here adjust the size of the mask, and here you can adjust the feather. Click on the check icon and your watermark will be hidden. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.